So guys, we arrived to the garden. It's called something like Xiamen Garden. What's the name of this place? What's the name of this place? You don't know? Okay. Do you want your milk tea right now? Yes or no? Okay. Let me record something. Is it comfortable for you to walk? So, what they have? It's a garden, and if you go upstairs, whew. So you want to take pictures there?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
take a car.
Let's take a car. Okay, let's take a car. I like this milk tea. I didn't drink. I told you, I'm just kidding. So, it's good to be surrounded by nature, right?
Yeah.
What do you feel when you are surrounded by? Oh, oh, sorry. What's next? Where to go? So, where's the map? Where's the map? Wow. So you want to go there? Oh. Why? Wow. Water is spread. So strange to me. Guys, you see water is spread here. Wait. Oh. So you want to take pictures there? Here, okay. Wow, nice dress. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. 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 You can walk a little bit. You can walk. Okay. All right. Wow. Nice picture. Wow. Walk. Go. Let's go. Worry about camera because it's not. If it's water, it's gonna die. Let's go upstairs. Record you. This place looks nice here. Yes, sure. Wait. Just record. Just record what's around. Okay. Wow. So we are at the park. Finished our
乘客朋友
recording.
们，终点西门南阳山草坪站到了，请全体乘客带好随身物品，有序下车。下车请注意安全。
终点站到了
Okay.
1 minute later.
So what we are going to eat for dinner? So what else?
What else? Choose.
What is good? I record.
Don't record my ugly finger.
Not ugly, beautiful. You have nails. If you have nails, it's beautiful. What else? Chicken, no? Rice. Bowl of rice, please.
You know rice?
Yes.
Okay.
Rice. You don't want rice? You like to eat this one? Chicken feet. No?
Chicken feet?
Chicken feet, sure.
What's that?
You don't like?
Which?
Here. Yeah, this.
No.
See that? Why?
I don't like.
You're not Chinese. See that? Oh, they brought us something. You want?
You eat.
Can I? Cannot do that.
Oh, 没有菜。
What?
Babe,
Yeah.
choose. You choose.
Already.
Already?
What? Noodles. Need to just. I took rice.
You want?
A little bit. Okay. But I have. Okay. A little bit noodles. I don't know. It's enough. So it's okay. For us. You think? Okay. Let me show.
I wanna. This one.
You wanna what? Oh. Okay. Lettuce.
Okay.
Okay. That's all.
对。哦，就这样是吗？好了。
Okay.
会不会太多？
What did
等
you
下
say?
吃不完，然后我们再减掉一点吧，感觉
Oh. What did you say?
感觉有点太多了。好，我们再看一下
那个锅底还没有点，
锅底吗？
Too much what? Too much what?
哦，好，Yeah。
可以把菜讲完之后点个锅底。
You want to change
Okay,
something?
No, I mean, is too much?
I'm asking you because
No,
I don't know
asking you.
the person. So I don't know. If I think it's okay, let's eat it.
It's okay.
Yeah.
那就这样吧，随便，吃不完再吃。
锅底在这边点好了吗？
好了。
这是锅底。
Need to choose
这边有
sauce.
4宫格，还有松，
Different sauce.
看你要点哪个。
Wow. Double flavor hot pot.
Double of
Quarter pot. Divided into 2 parts. I know it.
this one and other.
Yeah.
You
And
choose.
spicy.
No spicy.
Mushroom.
Which?
Mushroom here. It's okay? Okay. So that's all we're going to order this one. Finally, we have hot pot here. So we have some. I don't know the name, but she called this fish and something else. Noodles, potato, meat. What else? Fish, some veggies, sauce. So we are going to eat soon. Let me try and then I'll tell you guys how does it look like. So we're going to eat all those things here. Wow, magic. Let me show you guys how to eat it. This is fish. Well, I look a little bit tired, but I can survive. Mm. 非常好。Now, this place is nice. They have happy birthday. You see, they're singing this real trap sheet. Wow. Banger. Okay. By the way, we have frogs. We have frog here. Frog. Dang. You like to eat frogs? It's something between chicken and fish. I tried frog in 2019 first in Dongguan, but I didn't know that it was a frog. Really. Seems like you eat frog every day. You don't even laugh. You eat frogs every day, right?